Google just dropped their 2025 recap, and it's absolutely wild. They released Gemini 3, and it's finally beating GPT-4 and Claude. This thing got a gold medal at the hardest math competition in the world. Plus, they have AI that can move your mouse and type for you, make videos with perfect audio, and even code entire apps while you sleep. I'm going to show you everything Google released this year and how you can use it right now. Look, Google just had their best year ever. And I'm not talking about some small updates. I'm talking about AI that can actually see your screen and do work for you. AI that won a gold medal at the International Mathematical Olympiad. AI that can turn a sketch into a working website in minutes. 2025 was the year Google finally caught up and then blasted past everyone else. And the crazy part, most people have no idea this stuff even exists. Let me break down what Google actually released, because this is going to change how you work, how you build things. First up, Gemini 3. This is the big one. Google finally topped all the benchmarks. They beat GPT-4o, they beat Claude 3.5. Gemini 3 comes in two versions, Gemini 3 Pro and Gemini 3 Flash. And both of them have what Google calls PhD level reasoning. That means this AI can think through complex problems like an actual expert. It's not just spitting out answers, it's actually reasoning through things step by step. And the results speak for themselves. It's crushing every test they throw at it. But here's what makes Gemini 3 Flash so important. It has the same power as the Pro version, but it's way faster and way cheaper. So now you can access top tier AI without breaking the bank. You can use it for writing, coding, research, data analysis, whatever you need, and it runs at lightning speed. That's a game changer for anyone trying to scale their business. Now, let me tell you about Gemini Deep Think. This is the reasoning model that actually won a gold medal at the International Mathematical Olympiad this year. Problems that most adults can't even understand. And Gemini Deep Think solved them at a gold medal level. That's insane. This isn't just pattern matching. This is actual deep reasoning and problem solving. All right, now we're getting into the really cool stuff. Gemini 2.5 computer use. This is where things get wild. Google turned Gemini into an agent. And when I say agent, I mean it can literally see your screen. It can move your mouse. It can type for you. It can click buttons. It can fill out forms. It can do boring, repetitive tasks while you do something else. Think about that. You can tell it to go scrape data from websites, fill out spreadsheets, send emails, book appointments, whatever. And it just does it. This is the automation we've been waiting for. Let's talk about Nano Banana. This thing went viral for a reason. It's Google's state-of-the-art image editing model. But here's what makes it special. It has consistent characters. That means you can create a character and then put that same exact person in different scenes, different poses, different backgrounds, and they look the same every time. That's huge for content creators, marketers, anyone making visual content. You can create an entire story or ad campaign with the same characters throughout. Plus, it has pixel perfect text rendering, so you can add text to images, and it actually looks professional. Not that weird AI text that's all messed up. This is clean, readable, perfect text. Now, Veo 3 and Flow, people are calling this the Sora killer. And honestly, they might be right. Veo 3 makes high definition video, but it doesn't stop there. It now generates native audio and dialogue that matches the video perfectly. So you're not just getting silent video clips, you're getting full scenes with sound, voices, music, everything synced up. This is game changing for video content. You can create entire videos without filming anything, without recording audio, without editing. Just prompt it and boom, you have a finished video. Here's where it gets really interesting for developers. Google Anti-Gravity. This is a new era in AI assisted coding. It's basically auto scale for software development. You give it a prompt describing what you want to build, and it helps you build the entire app. It's not just suggesting code snippets, it's collaborating with you to build full features, full applications. This is massive if you want to build software but don't have a huge development team. And then there's Jules. This is an autonomous coding agent, not a chatbot, not a co-pilot, an actual background developer. Here's how it works. It clones your GitHub repo. You give it a task like fix this bug or add this feature, and then it goes to work while you're sleeping, while you're doing other things. It writes the code, tests it, and opens a pull request for you to review. It's like having a junior developer on your team that works 24/7 and never complains. If you run any kind of software business, this is a game changer. Trust me, this is where the magic happens. Now for the marketers, Google released Pomeli. This is an AI marketing manager. You give it your website URL, it scans your site and learns your business DNA, your brand voice, your style, your messaging, everything. And then it creates a month's worth of on-brand social content and ads in one click. Let me say that again, a full month of content, all on brand, all ready to post in one click. This is the kind of stuff that used to take weeks of work. Now it takes minutes. Let me tell you about Stitch. This is the ultimate UI and UX tool. You can take a hand-drawn sketch or just type a prompt describing what you want, and Stitch turns it into a high-fidelity website design with exportable code. You go from idea to working code in minutes, not days, not weeks, minutes. This is insane for anyone building websites or apps. You can prototype ideas instantly, test designs, get feedback, all without writing a single line of code yourself. All right, let me keep going because there's more. Google released something called Disco. This has a feature called Gen Tabs. Here's what it does. It takes your open browser tabs and instantly remixes them into a custom functional web app. So if you have a bunch of research tabs open or data sources or whatever, Disco can turn all that into an actual app you can use. That's wild. It's like your browser tabs become building blocks for software. Now, Gemma 3, this is the king of open source. It's a massive model that can actually run on a single local GPU. That means you can run high-end AI on your own computer. You don't need to pay for API calls. You don't need cloud servers. You can run it all locally. This makes high-end AI free for everyone. And that's huge because it means anyone can build with cutting-edge AI without a huge budget. Let me tell you about SEMA 2. This stands for Scalable, Instructable, Multi-World Agent. It's AI that can play any video game like a human, not just one game, any game. You tell it what to do and it figures out how to do it in the game. This might sound like just fun and games, but think about the implications. If AI can navigate complex 3D environments and figure out how to achieve goals, that translates to real-world robotics, simulations, training systems, all kinds of applications. And finally, Gemini Deep Research Agent. This tool is incredible. You give it a topic to research, and then it goes off and spends hours researching for you. It reads through sources, takes notes, analyzes information, cross-references facts, and then it comes back with a full 20-page cited report, complete with sources and references. This is the kind of research that would normally take a team of people days or weeks. And Gemini does it in hours. If you're a consultant, a student, a researcher, anyone who needs to dive deep into topics, this is gold. Here's what most people miss. Google isn't just releasing random tools. They're building an entire ecosystem. Gemini powers everything. The agents work together. The tools integrate with each other. It's all designed to work as one system. And that's why Google is pulling ahead right now. But here's the thing. Most people won't use any of this. They'll watch this video, think it's cool, and then do nothing. Don't be that person. The opportunity right now is massive because AI is still early enough that you can get ahead. But it's moving fast. Really fast. And if you wait too long, everyone else will already be using it and you'll be playing catch. This is where the magic happens.